Hoosier litter has finally arrived, with tiny paws and sparkling little eyes, wagging tail, soft puppy wiggles, hearts you recognize. A mix of Bernese mountain dog and poodle, that breeding done right. Each one a perfect Bernedoodle, born to brighten up your night. Every pup is one of one, with markings you can't ignore. Irresistible, full of charm, you're smiling at the door. They tumble over each other, then crash without a sound, sleeping legs over legs in a warm puppy pile on the ground.